I will destroy you.
What?
Because you destroyed my family. First Darth Vader and second Darth Vader. Ha! You can't even ride your vehicle right. Ha ha ha!
I have the power of the Force.
You have nothing.
What? No! I need reinforcement! I need reinforcement!
There's no reinforcements coming
Yeah,
from
there
you.
is. The Force will forbid.
What?
That's right.
No!
The Stormtroopers, come in, the Stormtroopers.
What is this?
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Yeah. Get it, Obi-Wan. The Force choke.
Lightning!
My arm! I will help you. Super cannon. Ta-ta. Prepare to meet your doom.
No! No!
Boom! He has fallen. And it's all thanks to Miguel.
Darth Vader had died.